12 unusual wall covering options. Wainscoting is any wall covering that extends only part way up the wall. Traditionally, a wainscot rises to a level about 1/3 of the total height of the wall, about 32 inches on an 8-foot 96-inch wall. The top of the wainscot is often bounded by a chair rail molding. It is also possible, though, to make very high wainscoting, a common treatment in dining rooms or dens. Although wainscoting is usually made from wood, it doesn't have to be. Tile is especially popular for wainscoting, especially in bathrooms and kitchens, thanks to its waterproof nature and easy cleanup. But go ahead and be innovative by using tile wainscoting in any room where the look is appropriate. And don't limit yourself to just standard ceramic tile. Porcelain and glass tiles offer some unique options for wainscoting. High-pressure laminates (HPL) are not the dusty, droopy, and largely ignored stuff you find on the racks at Lowe's or Home Depot. HPLs are the Rolls-Royce of laminates, with phenolic backings of the type used in laboratory table and commercial wall coverings. Yes, the price is commensurate with the quality, but these wall coverings, sandwiched under high heat and pressure, are durable, hygienic, and tough. Living in an apartment with nasty or just plain boring walls is difficult. And if you paint the walls, you may be required to repaint them before you move out. There is an option, though. Removable wallpaper lets you embellish your personal environment. And move out is a cinch since it simply involves peeling off the wallpaper. Why limit tile for just wainscoting? Continue the all the way to the ceiling to make your walls pop with excitement. Common in bathrooms and some kitchens, full tile walls can be suitable for other spaces, as well. The metal and faux ceiling tiles that are now in vogue can also be used for walls. These retro tiles are already seen in kitchen backsplashes, but what about full wall installation? It takes a particular room style to make the look work, but leather or faux leather panels can be used to cover a portion of a wall. Most appropriate for the walls behind a bed, couch, or easy chair, the look is super swanky, opulent, and retro. Manufactured stone veneer is not genuine stone, but it's not faux stone either. Composed faux Portland cement, aggregates, and iron oxides, manufactured stone veneer is nearly as hefty and durable as real natural stone, but is considerably less expensive. And the uniformity of the product makes for an easier installation than natural stone. For homeowners seeking the look of stone veneer but want to do the installation themselves, there is faux stone veneer. While this material may fool people from a distance, make no mistake, at close inspection, the material looks fake. These polystyrene panels are about 2 by 4 feet in size, are super light at only 5 to 6 pounds per panel. They can be installed very quickly with glue, but are fragile and can be dented quite easily. They are appropriate only for areas where physical contact is unlikely, and where they won't be closely inspected. The days of fake wood paneling made from thin sheets of masonite covered with a plastic film layer are blessedly over. Today's wood paneling is usually the real thing, panels made of genuine wood, such as ebony, teak, macassar, rosewood, or oak. And rather than the huge 4 by 8 foot sheets used in years past, today's wood paneling comes in small sizes that make it possible to mount them with the grain running horizontally, the current favorite style. For something entirely new, try mosaic tiles made from bamboo. Bamboo mosaic tile is the perfect wall covering if you are looking for something modish, modern, and fresh. This material from mod walls is sustainable, as bamboo regrows quickly. Another new innovation is Cork mosaic tile, tiny round tiles made of genuine cork. These 1-inch diameter cork rounds and bound together on mesh mats for easy installation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.